Select the elliptical marquee tool. Hold Shift to make a perfectly round selection. Go to Select. Transform Selection. You can now resize and move the selection. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area. Create a solid color layer. And make it black. Place the color fill layer below the layer with the selection. Select the top layer, and convert it to a smart object. Press Ctrl+T. And make the image smaller. Go to Filter. Distort. Spherize. Use an amount of 100%. Apply the Spherize filter again to enhance the fisheye effect. I apply the Spherize filter one more time, but now with an amount of 50. If you want to adjust the effect, you can double-click on the Spherize layer. When you're happy with the effect, rasterize the layer. Click on the chain icon to disconnect the width and height. Copy the height. And use it for the width to make your sphere round. Connect the width and height again. And press Ctrl+T. You can resize and move the sphere now. Click on the FX icon. And select Inner Glow. Copy these settings or adjust them to your liking. And that's how you create a fisheye lens effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop tutorials.